wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut a selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the music lab, but I'm banging people. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, that mafia gang. You see what we deal with? Yeah, that mafia. We're back in the music lab today. You see me? And today we got artists. You see me? Today we got another reaction from Mr. Goffy himself. Me I talk about none other than Mr. Tokyo. You see me? Mr. Blood Cleat. What's it called, Bayka? You see me? Yeah, man. Yo, Tokyo, what the vibes, you know? This, you see me? Mr. Bayka, Mr. Go for them himself. They were another one name. Watch it. Last reaction we did, I believe, was Sit Down. You see me? It was a vibe. Dog represent for the girl, you know what I'm saying? Someone say dog I deal with. You know, this one, I think this is also a girl tune as well. I'm going to show you about what I checked out and see what dog I deal with. I think this is a scene from him Sumfest performance. So yeah, man, we'll definitely check it out and see what dog I deal with. Yeah, man. So before we jump in the track, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, take this time, hit that subscribe button, become part of the littest family on YouTube. A little over there so the energy and the vibes never stop. Make the gang tell you that, man. If I tell them, man, I go on, man. Yeah, man, guys, you see me. And if you like, you know, before we jump in the track, also hit that like button. The likes help your boy video goes out and my channel grow and all that. You know what I'm saying? So let's do the right thing, now, man. You see me? Just live by the code, now, man. Code is life, now, man. And let's do the right thing. Hit the like button. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So yeah, man. Let me say, I check out Mr. Goffy them himself. Bayka back in this one, another one name. Watch it. I will check it out and see what dog I deal with. You see me? You don't know if I fuck with you, I fuck with over here. When I end up on the partiality and pit and pamper thing. You see me? If artists are job fuck with, I make you know some my job fuck with. You see me? I say, yeah, man. So I jump right now. Try this is Bayka. Watch it. Let's get it.
Remember when you come with jumping, remember clarity, you know.
Don't mean to interrupt your performance, Bayka. I know you're a professional artist. But the police, they are asking you to desist from cursing indecent language.
I think this is from his Sumfest performance when he was cursing Badwood and shit, and I was like, yeah, I can't do that. And
no pussy.
Wrong quiet, watch it. Gunman set you who pass through, you will not screw. From a little years, some father will ask you. Some dime for your boy, this me start shoot. Body night classroom, body night school, body map.
Climb said, gunman town you pass through. You see me from your little, look you last year. You see me so from then you dog about alright, come
so,
in.
Me test the crowd now. Girl pa my cocky strictly a whole road. PFE brawling if she a whole out. Dog from morning away you know. Watch him me bra for ban off a pass the accident. Can't go see me.
Dog say PFE brawling if she want for whole road. That dog say me.
My table with the Hennessy and 40 man now. Make all a vibe got the party ram bro. Girl you have for days think a carnival. Ice now for chase, hurry up girl my case.
Clive snuff it chase hurry up mama
come type party and the car for this. See you clip 40 I rip off my waist. Tough cart if you plant car you pass your place. Catch a breath and you're all tired. You say hard to make you feel like you're no fire. Catch your foot aside me lift your blows higher. And them split on couple shot even the cloud higher.
And split on couple shot not even the cloud higher.
Yeah, that change shift brings me gun in the face and then we change clip. Half a moment splash your brain before his steam kicks. Kill
so where dog say girl in time I change shift for him to me and to the blood clog on their face and then what? Come here.
Love to take the dream like a play Phoenix. Watch him and my bra for ban off a pass the accident. Can't go see my table with a Hennessy and 40 man no. Make all a vibe got the party ram bro. Girl you have for days think a carnival.
Dog say you can't see me blood clot table with Hennessy and 40 man. None of that. Y'all there for days like carnival. Where some boy I pray. Come in now.
Ice now for chase. Hurry up girl my case. See go type party and the car for this. See you clip 40 I rip off my waist. Tough cart if you plant car you pass your place. Man set you who pass through you will not.
Ice now for chase my girl my case. Left the party and the car for days. Oh, I'm
screw from a little years, so my father will ask you. So me dying for your boy, this me start shoot. Body night classroom, body night school, body map, gym swag. Me test the crowd now. Girl pa my cocky strictly a whole road. PFE brawling if she a whole out. Dog from morning away you know.
Climb at a PFE brawling if she a whole out. Tap a break in her head tap. Come here, hey, come on. This one. Bayka with another one. Bayka do your thing. And then watch it. Yeah. You know what I mean? Bayka put in the work, you know. the big bones rhythm, you know, dog. The big bones rhythm got everybody in a chokehold, bro. Everybody happy on this shit. You see me? I don't blame them, dog. Big bones rhythm are go on, man. One of the biggest rhythm for drop for year. You see me? I say. Yeah, man. Bayka, watch it. Yeah, man, that definitely do him thing, guys. Only thing about the one that mafia, I'm known in the comment section. You see me? They can be doing this thing, you know what I'm saying? Definitely a vibe. You see me? The one is a party tune and a girl tune. You see me? I say? Yeah, when in a club, this would have definitely go mad in a club a vibe. Liquor play, music play, and liquor beat, man. You definitely, you know what I'm saying? Definitely set the vibe. All when you have to go back, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Dog do him thing, man. Definitely a club banger. Big Bones Rhythm got the whole of Jamaica and the whole dancehall now in a whole right now. You know what I'm saying? Definitely one of the biggest rhythm for bus for the year start for 2023. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Is Big Bones Rhythm one of the biggest rhythm to bus for 2023? And if not, what do you think is the biggest rhythm for 2023? Drop in the comment section. Let's chop it up. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Big Bones Rhythm definitely are doing thing. As man, the artists them definitely are doing them thing on the rhythm. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Definitely I like it. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, guys, let me know what your favorite part was. You see me? Let me know if you like the track. What's your favorite part about beat, lyric, melody, the artist, the video, the gal. You know what I'm saying? In the comment section, and we definitely chop it up. Also, if you like, go show the artist some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco dance. Send you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Make you know say we lit over here, and we're strong over here. So, you see me? I say also drop your request, guys. You see me? If request is chosen, you're gonna get your shout out and all that. You see me? And the vibes non-stop, the reaction non-stop. We keep going. We non-stop. You see me? We headed to 10K and beyond. You see me? We're going to take over. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. The biggest music reaction, dancehall reaction, just vibes channel on YouTube, guys. So become part of the family. You don't know. Alright, boy, Jambisco. We're there with another reaction and a banger, you know, guys. You see me? Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.